Hello all, my name is Sukhraj. This is the second video of the SQL interview question answer series. In this video we will discuss or we will see how we can delete the duplicate record from a table or how we can select the duplicate record from a table. This is very good question for the interview. Actually this is generally asked to both the freshers and experienced one in the interview process. In this video we will see how we can delete this record or how we can select duplicate record from the table. Let's move to the SQL Server Management Studio. I have one table, that is the employee table, and this is the output of that table. This table contain a few duplicate record, like Imran is duplicated here 3 times. Creator date is the system generated column, so it might have some different value. One entry on 7th, again 7th, then one entry on 9th, and it is primary key, it will be unique, so duplicacy will be here. See, this is the same user, but in the database we have entry 3 times. So how we can delete such records? I have one Imran user, then I have Mohit user repeated here 2 times. This is the another one, because mobile number and cell is different. Then I have Ranjit Singh, that is repeated here 4 times. So now we will check how we can delete these records from the table. We can delete such record from the table using the row number. So this is the output of my table. I can use the row number function here. I will explain about this function. Let me write it first. Okay, so in this table ID will be unique always, and created date will be different, and ID will be different for each entry. That's why I can't use the partition here, these 2 values, so I'm using the mobile number. Actually, what is this partition? When we will run the first let me execute this query, then I will explain about it. So this is the query here. Row number is like a counter. When same value is occurring, so it is increasing the counter by 1. When value will get changed, it will reset the counter to 1. You can see here for the Ranjit Singh mobile number, same mobile number, because we are using the partition here by mobile number column, so it is repeated 4 times. That's why counter is 1 2 3 4, and when this this mobile number get changed, again the counter set here 1. Similarly for the Neha Rani, here counter is same. I think this is the dummy data, I just provided the same mobile number. Actually one for let me correct this one. From the backend I just correct these values. So now again in case of the Neha Rani, same mobile number is there, that's why counter start from 1 to 2. And in case of the Imran, same mobile number is 3 times, that's why counter started for 1 2 3. When it gets changed, it's again setting to the 1. So now we have duplicate records, like Mohit Kumar is here 2 times, Imran is 3 times, then Ranjit Singh is 4 times, and Neha Rani is 2 times. So we need to delete these records, but need to keep only 1 copy of these, right? How we can do that? Now how the row number is function is working, I already explained, like this is working on the counter, and order wise the clause which we must use in the along with the partition, like with which column it will order by the record after providing the counter here. If I will use the descending order, then this ordering will change, nothing will happen. So this is very simple. Otherwise this is simple query. If I will remove it, now this row number attach one more column here, that is the row number, or I can say anything. Let me rename it as row number. Now this row number, if I will delete all the records where row number is greater than 1, you can see duplicate record will get deleted here. Like for the Ranjit, I have 4 records. If I will delete all the records where row number is greater than 1, it means these 3 record will get deleted from this. So it means only 1 copy will be there and duplicate one will get deleted. So how we can do that? For that, first we need to store the output of this in this query in one common table expression. Let rename it as result set. Now from this result set we will select the output. See, now what is our query? Select the duplicate record from a table. Now to select the duplicate record from a table, here we can say that where this column, this is the row number column, right? Where row number is greater than 1. Now we got only those records which are duplicated in our database, right? If I need to delete, now I have a need to delete these records because these are duplicate. For that one I just need to make one change here, to write the delete query here. Delete from result set where row number is greater than 1. It will delete all the duplicate record from this table, and to select I can use the select to select all duplicate record from a table. Now let me execute it. See, 7 records are deleted. Now we will see in the original data set. See, now I have only one copy of Imran, one copy of Mohit. These are two, they have the same name, but these are two different records. They have different salary here, different mobile number. Both are from the same city and same state, but they are different. And then Neharani, I have only one copy, and also for the Ranjit, other 3 duplicate record get deleted. So in this way we can delete the duplicate record from a table with just a simple query here using the row number and common table expression. Thank you everyone. Please subscribe this channel for more videos on the SQL interview questions, and also you can provide your feedback in the comment section, and you can suggest the video series on which you want the more videos. Thank you everyone.